The next technique, trauma lateral dorsal decubitus. That should be performed with the patient supine with no movement, or removing cervical color without consulting physician. Place IR next to patient's shoulder and center at level of C4. Don't rotate or extend neck. Depress shoulders as much as possible. Unnecessary loop abandonment around patient's feet. And affix ends to rest so that extending knees depresses shoulders. And shield gonads as the previous ones. And the respiration is suspended. The central array will be angled horizontal and perpendicular entering C4 and with a CD of 16 to 72 inches. The collimation is adjusted 10 times 12 inches and place side marker on the collimated exposure feet. And the required voltage for this exposure is 85 kilovolts. And finally, the last technique of cervical vertebra, the trauma apiaxial oblique. That should be performed with a patient supine with no movement, or remove cervical color without consulting physician. Brace head and neck and leave only enough to slide IR under neck. Place IR under backboard if patient is on backboard. Center IR to mess it on side opposite X-ray tube, and shield gonads. The central array is adjusted 45 degrees medial and 15 to 20 degrees cephalide entering level of C4, and the collimation is adjusted to 10 times 12 inches. Place side marker in the collimated exposure feet. And the required voltage for this exposure is 75 kilovolts.